To increase your privacy on TikTok, here's how to hide your followers and the accounts that you're following. First, you need to open your TikTok application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. After that, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, after, select the three lines in the top right. Then select Settings and Privacy. Now go to the Privacy option, which is between Account and Security and Permissions. To hide who you are following, tap on the following list, which you will find between downloads and liked videos. Then select Only You. Come back and the settings will be automatically saved. Now to hide your follower list, there isn't a separate setting. The only way to hide your followers is to switch your account to private. And when your account is private, only approved followers can see your profile details, including the followers and the following list. This is how to make your TikTok account more private. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.